In this video, I'm going to show you how to change region on your TikTok account. And in order to do this, you're going to your profile section. Here you click on the hamburger icon at the top right, there's 3 stripes. Here we click on settings and privacy. And right now we click on account. From here we click on account information. And as you can see, account region will be an option down below. And when we click on this, we see that we only have a couple of countries where we can select our country or region to. And for example, when you want to change it to United States, you need to be in the United States like real time, because TikTok can track if you are like officially in the United States. They can track this by IP addresses and stuff like that. And when you are in the United States for 30 days, then you can like leisurely change it to United States or any other country you see in here. And if you want to change a region to, for example, another country, then it is not possible on an already existing account, because as you can see in here, your account region is initially set based on the time and place of registration. So let's say you want a UK account when you are in the Netherlands, then you need to be in the UK and create an account in the United Kingdom, basically. And then your region will automatically be set to UK. There are a lot of videos circulating that you can also use VPNs and stuff like that, but I cannot advise you to do this because TikTok basically detects if you are logging in from a VPN connection. And let's say you are creating your account in the UK with a VPN connection, and then while you're, for example, in the Netherlands, and suddenly your VPN connection just logs off or something like that, then they basically see that you're teleporting from the United Kingdom to the Netherlands. And this can be really suspicious for the TikTok platform. And this can result in shadow bans and stuff like that. So please be aware of this. Please follow the rules in this. That will prevent a lot of problems in the future. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.